Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on TikTok. To know how to fix or how to solve too many requests on TikTok, should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can go to the window or to the app of TikTok. And you can click. Here we'll enter to first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear detail because that can cause you errors or it can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.